Hey guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen, and in today's video I'm just coming on to show you real quick how I make my creamy cauliflower, and I'm just going to show you that real quick. So in this pot, all I have in here is some water and some salt, but I'm going to go ahead and throw this broccoli in right now, which I already went ahead of time and dice real quick, and I'm just going to bring this to a boil. Okay, so in this pot I'm going to go ahead and put a little butter in here. Just let this melt. Need to turn down my flame a little bit. And then I'm going to add 3 main ingredients which I have on the side. I'm gonna add some garlic, and I'm gonna add some white onions, and some red onions. And the reason why I'm using 2 different onions is because it gives me 2 different flavors, and I like the flavor that it gives me from the red onion especially. That's my main reason for using 2 different onions. So I'm just sauteing this a little bit to get the flavor out. Now that I think my onions and my garlic has sauteed enough, I'm going to add some of this bad boy in here. This is heavy cream. If I wanted, I could make a bechamel sauce from scratch, but I'm just going to use the heavy cream, since that I'm looking for a really fast way of doing this. And to bring up all this flavor, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt to this sauce. And I'm just going to let this simmer a little bit. Now I already went ahead of time and drained off my cauliflower that I cook, so I'm just going to bring it over to the stove, and I'm just going to pour my cauliflower out in this sauce. Just let that slow simmer a little bit more, and let this slow simmer just a little bit more. And now I'm gonna serve it over, well, I'm gonna serve it with this rice and some wings. And that's a quick and easy way of making creamy cauliflower. And to make it even more yummy, what I'm going to do is top the cauliflower off with a little cheese. And there you have it, guys. Alright, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.